I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki. Recently we painted my front door and it became very apparent that the lock and the handset really needed to be replaced. So we decided if we're going to replace them, let's go high tech.
So come join us as we show you how we installed this smart lock. We started by removing the old lock parts very easily with a hand screwdriver. Then we inserted the new bolt and installed a new strike plate. We verified that the bolt and strike plate worked before moving forward. The touchscreen assembly fit nicely into the existing hole in the door. Then we added the support plate to the back of the door. What I really like here is the plate doesn't need to be screwed into your door. It's supported just by screwing it into the front assembly. We installed the interior assembly next. First, removing the cover to attach the assembly to the support plate and add batteries. The batteries come with the lock and the app keeps track to let you know when they need to be replaced. Lastly, we went through the prompts for setup in the iPhone app. With the lock installed, we moved on to the handset assembly. We removed the old parts like before with a hand screwdriver and removed the hardware. We noticed the bottom of the handset was adjustable, so we didn't have to drill any new holes in the door. We fit the hardware into place and got it screwed in. The bottom has a special screw and small cap that covers it nicely. And we're done. We tested it out by setting up a test code, and the green check mark shows that it works perfectly. And to lock from the outside, we just push the Schlage logo at the top. Now the best part, by plugging in the Schlage Sense Wi-Fi adapter near the door, Mom can lock and unlock her door from anywhere.
You need to know that if you're going to be replacing your lock and your handset, you're probably going to need to do a little touch-up on the paint or the stain on your door. It's best to do this before you put the new lock on. So take the old one off, prep the door, put the paint or the stain on, let it dry, and then put the new lock on. We didn't do it that way, so don't follow our example.